Tonight is a taste of Fort Myers on the west coast of Florida. Fresh swordfish, baked and blackened with a homemade blackening seasoning, topped with a lemon, caper, butter, and wine sauce. We'll serve it on top of a bed of spinach, along with a side of black lentils. This healthy recipe is low in carbs, rich in nutrients, and easy to make. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it.
My name is Mark Phillips. I've been in the food and beverage business for over 30 years. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to be in over 10,000 kitchens around the world. During the day, I work for Lentils, a squeezed fresh juice company from Florida. Each week, I travel to a different city and get the opportunity to call on some of the most amazing chefs in the industry. The Kitchen of Chef Mark is a channel dedicated to showing you how you too can make fine dining restaurant quality food right in your own home. We'll travel together, we'll cook together, and we'll have some fun along the way. Welcome to the Kitchen of Chef Mark. Now let's get cooking. Tonight is a taste of Fort Myers, a coastal city located on the west coast of Florida. We're taking a fresh swordfish steak, adding salt and pepper, and marinating it in extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. We'll season it with a homemade blackening seasoning made from paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, thyme, oregano, and cayenne pepper. We'll bake it in the oven and top it off with a sauce made from the marinade, capers, and butter. This steak from the sea will be served with sauteed spinach and black lentils. And why are we making this dish tonight? Well, this week we were in Fort Myers, Florida. Fort Myers was the winter home of two notorious American inventors, Henry Ford and Thomas Edison. Their homes are still here today and visited by many tourists each year. Fort Myers also has a rejuvenated downtown area, only 1 block from the Caloosahatchee River. And with the abundance of fishing at the nearby marinas, the local restaurants have plenty of fresh fish and seafood. This week we went to 2 Fort Myers hotspots, Oxbow, located right on the river, and Izzies, located in the heart of downtown. Swordfish the first night and grouper on the second. Both were good, but we had to choose one, so we're going with the swordfish, which brings us to our dish tonight. Our mise en place is, for the fish, 1 fresh swordfish steak. For the marinade, a few tablespoons of Colavita extra virgin olive oil, 1 ounce of Natalie's lemon juice, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, and 1/4 yellow onion chopped. For the blackening seasoning, 1/4 tablespoon each of cayenne pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, ground oregano, and ground thyme. 2 tablespoons of Colavita extra virgin olive oil. 2 pieces of President brand unsalted butter, salt and pepper. For the lentils, 1 cup of black lentils, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 pieces of butter, 1/2 cup diced carrots, 1/2 cup diced yellow onion, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and 1/4 teaspoon each of coriander, cumin, turmeric, and black pepper. For the spinach, 1 bag of fresh spinach, 1 ounce of Natalie's lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of Colavita olive oil, 1 chopped clove of garlic, and salt and pepper. And for the sauce, we'll use the onion, garlic, and herbs from the marinade, along with 2 teaspoons of capers, 1 ounce of Natalie's lemon juice, and 1/2 cup of chicken stock. You'll be using chicken stock for the lentils, spinach, and the sauce, so make 3 cups of stock before you get started. Our first step is to marinate the swordfish. In a bowl, combine a few tablespoons of olive oil, 2 chopped cloves of garlic, some chopped onion, the rosemary and thyme, 1 ounce of lemon juice. Season the swordfish with salt and pepper and place it into the marinade. Coat it on all sides. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Remove the bowl from the refrigerator and place the swordfish onto a plate. Add salt, pepper, and the blackening seasoning to the swordfish. In a large pan, add olive oil and butter and turn the heat to medium-high. Add the swordfish and cook 3 minutes per side. Then place the swordfish into aluminum foil, cover it, and put it into a 170-degree oven to stay warm. For the lentils, place a few pieces of butter and a few tablespoons of olive oil into a medium-sized pot. Bring the heat up to medium. Add the onions and carrots and cook them for 4 minutes. Add a teaspoon of the chopped garlic and cook it for 1 minute. Add the lentils into the pot and stir them into the butter and oil thoroughly. Add the seasoning and stir it in well too. Add the 2 cups of chicken stock and stir everything together well and bring it to a simmer. Cover and let the lentils cook for 10 minutes or according to package directions. For the spinach, add a few tablespoons of olive oil to a small pot on medium-low heat. Add the garlic and cook it for 1 minute. Place the spinach into the pot, add the chicken stock, stir, and cook the spinach for a few minutes on low heat. Cover when done. For the sauce, add the bowl of marinade to the pan and turn the heat up to medium-high. Deglaze the pan with a wooden spoon and cook the marinated bits for about 4 minutes. Add in the capers and cook for another 2 minutes. Add the lemon juice and the chicken stock and bring it to a simmer. When the sauce has reduced by half, turn the heat off and add a piece of cold butter and stir it in. And now it's time to plate our dish. And there it is, a taste of Fort Myers. Blackened swordfish with a lemon caper butter sauce. Marinated, pan-seared, and baked in the oven. Served with seasoned black lentils and fresh spinach. Swordfish is the steak of the sea. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.